assembly conducted by the students of Class 9C and 5C. Today we observe the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking.
Prayer is the best way to connect with the God. So let us join our hands, close our eyes for the prayer.
Seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will make a way. He will be my guide. Hold me closely to his side. With love and strength for each new day. He will make a way for me. He will make a way. God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will make a way. He will be my guide. Hold me closely to his side. With love and strength for each new day. He will make a way for me. He will make a way. He will make a way.
Let us pay allegiance to our motherland by saying the pledge. I call upon Navya from class 5C for the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Now let's welcome Aditya Praveen of class 9C for the honor code.
Students honor code. As a student of Navy Children's School, I shall constantly strive to achieve academic excellence while practicing my school's core values of honesty, integrity, and responsibility. I shall remain guided by moral and ethical values imbibed in me and shall display the spirit of true nationhood and sportsmanship on every occasion, even when unsupervised. I will neither lie, cheat, nor indulge in any unfair means and shall never abet the defaulters. I shall display exemplary behavior both within school as well as outside and shall act as a source of inspiration for other students to emulate. Taking immense pride in my school, I shall make earnest efforts in upholding the honor code. I shall always endeavor through my thoughts, words, and deeds in making the school proud of me.
Teachers are the guiding lights who light the lamp of knowledge for their students. Now we have a thought-provoking speech by Susie.
A warm good morning, children. The person with big dreams is way more powerful than the person with all the facts. People with big dreams just don't have time to sit around waiting for all the facts to line up to bring their dreams to bear fruit. They have passion. This is the topic we are going to think about today. Dreams and passion. We all have dreams, that is aspirations. But do we do something to fulfill them, either for ourselves or for our loved ones? In the words of our late President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Sir said about dreams like this, I quote, "Dream is not that which you can see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep." Unquote. I would like to state further with examples on a larger perspective. Our country currently is dreaming with passion to be rid of the COVID circumstances and is using all its resources. Even the armed forces are being roped in to plan and execute this dream effectively and fruitfully. We as citizens have to cooperate to fulfill these dreams by following the COVID norms. This is the current dream the nation has. Now, let us look from your individual perspective. What about you? Have you wondered? You are children and your parents and school dream for you. It is you who have to work with passion to fulfill these dreams. It is a call to action to rise up and march ahead with passion to fulfill the dreams of people who love you the most, your parents and your school. To conclude, let us remember the key words spoken today. The first one, dream. Dream with passion. For whom will you dream? For people who love you the most. Who are they? Your parents and school. How is this possible? By utilizing all your resources well. Remember, children, dream with passion. Thank you and God bless each one of you.
A small positive thought can change your whole day. Here is Yoshi from class 5C with the thought.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I am Yoshi Yadav. The thought for the day is sometimes listening to your heart means losing your mind. I repeat, sometimes listening to your heart means losing your mind. Thank you.
Now we have the students of 9C and 5C to give us more information on drug abuse and illicit trafficking with an informative presentation.
Morning, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Headmistress, teachers and my dear friends.
The International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking is a United Nations International Day against drug abuse and the illegal drug trade. It is observed annually on 26th June since 1989.
Drug abuse or substance abuse refers to the use of certain chemicals for the purpose of creating pleasurable effects on the brain. People from all walks of life can experience problems with their drug use regardless of age, race, background, or the reason they started using drugs in the first place.
Common symptoms of drug abuse are an urge to use drugs every day or many times a day. Stealing, lying, or doing something dangerous that could risk one's life into death. Problems in your relationships such as fights with your family, problems at workplaces.
Side effects of drug addiction may include a weakened immune system, increasing the risk of illness and infection, heart conditions ranging from abnormal heart rates to heart attacks and collapsed veins and blood vessel infections from injected drugs, problems with memory, attention and decision making which make daily living more difficult.
Myth and facts about drug use and addiction. Myth 1. Overcoming addiction is simply a matter of willpower. You can stop using drugs if you really want. Fact. Prolonged exposure to drugs alters the brain in ways that result in powerful cravings and compulsion to use. These brain changes make it extremely difficult to quit by sheer force of will.
Myth 2. Addiction is a disease. There is nothing that can be done about it. Fact. Most experts agree that addiction is a disease that affects the brain. But that doesn't mean that anyone is helpless. The brain changes associated with addiction can be treated and reversed through therapy, medication, exercise, and other treatments.
Examples to learn from celebrities who lost their life to drugs. Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson died in his home of a cardiac arrest at a pivotal point in his career. The singer who suffered sleeping problems multiple physical and mental health problems, died of a cardiac arrest as a result of overuse of drugs.
The Wizard of Oz star Judy Garland died on June 22, 1969 of an accidental barbiturate overdose at age 47. The singer and actress had been suffering for years from mental and physical health problems and reportedly had been given stimulants and depressants from an early age to manage her filming schedule, according to PBS.
Actors who had won their battles against drugs. Robert Downey Jr. The actor says that he used drugs before he was a teenager and spent most of his early career under its influence. He had several high-profile arrests during late 1990s and early 2000s while misusing cocaine, alcohol and heroin, and spent time in California jail and a state-run rehab facility. In 2002, he announced that he had recovered. Marvel 2008 movie Iron Man revived his stalled career.
Daniel Radcliffe, the star of the Harry Potter franchise, is another young actor for whom got sudden wealth and sudden fame which caused a lot of personal problems. He says that he used to drink a lot during the last 3 Potter films. He finally realized that he couldn't control himself, and then after the last Potter film he quit, rapped and began his recovery.
Dear friends, getting into the vicious circle of drugs and other substances is one of the worst things that can happen to the youth of our country. So on this day, let's take a pledge to stay from the world of drugs. Thank you.
Some people dream of success while other people get up every morning and make it happen. With this, we come to the end of today's morning assembly. Hope you have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.